Hey guys, I'm Michael Soth, and we are going to be finishing this Rubik's Cube. I've never done one in my whole life, so I'm going to try this. Let's go. So, I don't really know how to do it. All I know is that these things like switch and go like that. So, like, I need some help here, guys. Okay, so I have like that many inside. See that? And then there's like these ones on the bottom, but I don't know how to get them. So let me try this. If I move this over here, back here, and I bring this one bit down. Oh my god! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, now we gotta get these other ones. So I'm kind of getting like used to this thing, like, because you just have to like bring these things down and then like make those not be in the way. So like that, and then like you got, oh crap, dropped it, and then you gotta see where they are, and it can't be on the side that you're getting it on. And then you want to go like this. And then you want to have it like this. So then you go like, bring this like one down, like that. And then you just switch it. Like, that's literally all you gotta do. But if you don't know how to do it, it can get confusing. Like, but I'm getting used to this thing already. You know this? Hey guys, I kind of need some help. Like, how the heck do you do this? Guys, look. Under there. Oh my god, I just threw the Rubik's Cube and it literally just landed. Look at every single side is completed. And this is my first time ever doing a Rubik's Cube. So, guys, sloth out.